Hello, my name is Dr. Barry Neichin. I'm the Chief of Staff here at ABC Veterinary Hospital. I wanted to remind you to subscribe. Today I'm going to talk to you about lasers in veterinary medicine. There's two major classifications of lasers: the therapeutic lasers, which are the cold lasers that we use to treat inflammatory diseases, and then the surgical lasers, or the CO2 lasers that we use instead of a scalpel to cut. So let's talk about CO2 lasers first. They were introduced, I think, first to use in surgery in veterinary medicine because they prevent bleeding and pain at the time of surgery. So instead of using a scalpel, which cuts through blood vessels and nerves and leaves them raw, we use a laser which seals the nerve endings and the blood vessels so that there's minimal bleeding, minimum pain with surgery. So we apply that to lots of our surgical procedures, including spay and neuter, and and there are other applications in skin surgery when they have skin cancer. The number of procedures are endless where we can use laser to minimize discomfort post-surgically. The second class of lasers are cold lasers. And cold lasers are used therapeutically. We use that following surgery to reduce inflammation. And then the most promising area is using it to treat inflammatory diseases. Anywhere from cystitis when the bladder is inflamed, if we apply the laser to that, it can reduce the inflammation so they get some immediate comfort, to an ear infection. An ear, when it's infected, is red, inflamed, and itchy, and a quick application with a therapeutic laser and the inflammation goes down almost immediately. And they see a lot more comfort until the medications can treat the infection that may have caused the problem. Probably the most common application we have for cold lasers is using it to treat inflammatory orthopedic disease, arthritis, injuries to the shoulder, the elbows, the hips, and very commonly the back, chronic back pain. And we can treat dogs in 5 to 15 minutes with a cold laser. That reduces inflammation, it promotes healing, it increases blood flow. It's very similar for you or I going to the physical therapist. Well, this is, instead of using ultrasound, we use light waves that promote healing, increase activity in mitochondria, increase the blood supply, and lead to healing of these chronic injuries. So when your dog has pain and can't take conventional medicines, or we want to minimize the conventional medicines and reduce inflammation, we have chronic diseases that we need to treat in a very safe and effective, holistic type of way, we should think about cold lasers for that. So if your dogs have any injuries that need attention, I think you should consider giving us a call to talk about cold laser therapy. Thank you very much.